Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. How to cast Samsung S24 Ultra to your smart TV wirelessly. Want to watch your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra on the big screen? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to wirelessly screen mirror your phone to any smart TV. No cables, no extra apps needed. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or sharing photos, this guide makes it simple and fast. Perfect for Samsung users looking to enjoy content on a larger display. 1. Understand screen mirroring and Smart View. Screen mirroring displays your phone's screen in real time on a smart TV, replicating everything you do, from navigating apps to playing videos. The Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra use Smart View, a built-in feature that supports Miracast and Chromecast, making it compatible with Samsung TVs, post 2015, and other brands with Miracast or casting capabilities. Smart View connects via Wi-Fi, requiring no cables, and supports features like multi-view for simultaneous content display. Blog. Air squirrels. 2. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network for Smart View to work. Your Galaxy S24 and the Smart TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick panel, tap the Wi-Fi icon, and confirm the network matches the TV's. If the TV isn't on the same network, go to its settings, select the correct Wi-Fi, and enter the password if needed. A stable Wi-Fi connection, preferably 5 GHz for better performance, is crucial to avoid lag or disconnections. 3. Enable screen mirroring on your smart TV. Before connecting, ensure your TV has screen mirroring enabled. The process varies by brand. Samsung. Press the Home button, navigate to Source, and select Screen Mirroring. LG. Go to Home, select Device Connector, then Screen Share. Sony. Press the Input button and choose Screen Mirroring, setting it to Always. For other brands, check the TV's manual for Miracast, Chromecast, or casting options. Some TVs require you to allow Smart View connections via Settings, General, External Device Manager, Device Connect Manager, Access Notification. 4. Access Smart View on your Galaxy S24. Swipe down twice from the top of your Galaxy S24's screen to open the quick panel. Look for the Smart View icon, a play button with 2 semicircles. If it's not visible, swipe right or tap the search icon, magnifying glass, and type Smart View to locate it. You can also add it to quick settings for easier access. Tap and hold the icon, drag it to the top row, and tap Done. 5. Connect to your smart TV. Tap the Smart View icon on your phone. A list of available devices will appear. Select your TV. Check the TV model in its settings to avoid connecting to the wrong device. If prompted, enter a PIN displayed on the TV. A pop-up on your phone will ask, "Start casting with Smart View?" Select Start Now. Confirm the connection on the TV if required. Your phone's screen should now mirror on the TV, showing all actions in real time. 6. Use SmartThings for alternative mirroring. If Smart View doesn't work, try the SmartThings app. Download or update SmartThings to version 1.745 or higher from the Google Play Store. Open the app, add your TV as a device, and select it. Tap More Options, 3 vertical dots, and choose Mirror Screen, Smart View. Confirm the connection. SmartThings also supports Tap View. Enable it in Settings, Tap View, Tap Sound, then tap your phone on the TV's bezel, away from the screen, to initiate mirroring. 7. Adjust display settings for optimal viewing. To optimize the mirrored display, adjust the aspect ratio. In Smart View, tap More Options, 3 vertical dots, Go to Settings, Phone Aspect Ratio, and select Full Screen for a larger image. Enable Remember Settings to apply this automatically, though some apps may restart. For Samsung TVs, Multi-View lets you mirror your phone alongside other content, e.g., a TV show, with customizable positioning. 8. Troubleshoot connection issues if mirroring fails. Try these fixes. Restart devices. Reboot both your phone and TV to refresh the connection. Update software. Go to Settings, Software Update on your phone and ensure that TV's firmware is current. Disable Phone Link or Battery Saver. These may interfere with Smart View. Turn off Phone Link in Settings, Connected Devices, and disable Battery Saver in Settings, Battery. Check Bluetooth. Disable Bluetooth on both devices, as it can disrupt Wi-Fi-based mirroring. Clear Smart View data. Go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, Smart View, Storage, Clear Data, then retry. Some users reported issues with older TVs, e.g., 2019 Toshiba, resolved by a Samsung update on April 1, 2024. 9. Use third-party apps for non-compatible TVs. For TVs without Miracast or Chromecast, use apps like Ditto or Reflector. Ditto supports multi-device mirroring to TVs or projectors, requiring software installation on the receiving device. Reflector adds casting capabilities to a Mac or Windows computer connected to the TV. Enable Cast in Smart View to connect to Reflector. Avoid unreliable third-party apps, as they may cause issues. blog.airsquirrels.comnikashevdevelopment.com. 10. Stop mirroring when done. To stop mirroring, swipe down to the quick panel, tap the Smart View icon, and select Disconnect. Alternatively, open Smart View settings during mirroring and tap Disconnect. This ensures your phone stops broadcasting to the TV, conserving battery and maintaining privacy. Additional tips: keep devices within 10 meters and remove physical obstacles for a stable connection. For wired mirroring, use a DeX or USB-C to HDMI cable if wireless fails. If issues persist, contact Samsung support or check forums like XDA or Reddit for community solutions. By following these steps, you can effortlessly mirror your Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra to any compatible smart TV, enhancing your viewing experience. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.